Should AI refund your tokens when it fails? It sounds like a strange question, but I think it's one we're all going to be asking in the next few years. Stay with me, because at the end, I'm going to give you one question every business should ask before choosing an AI platform, and it has nothing to do with how smart the AI is. Imagine you walk into a restaurant, you order dinner, the waiter brings you the wrong meal. Would you expect to pay for it? Probably not. Now imagine you hire a contractor to paint your house. Instead, they paint your neighbors. Would you still pay the invoice? Of course not. But with AI, that's not always how it works. Some platforms charge you for every request, whether the result is useful or not. Others only charge after they've successfully completed the work. Those are two very different business models. And as AI becomes more deeply integrated into our businesses, I think this distinction becomes more important because we're no longer just asking AI random questions. We're asking it to write code, generate proposals, analyze contracts, create marketing campaigns, process business data. If an AI misunderstands the assignment or completely fails, who should absorb that cost? The customer or the AI provider? Now, I'm not saying every imperfect answer deserves a refund. Sometimes the prompt wasn't clear. Sometimes we asked the wrong question. Sometimes we changed our minds halfway through. That's part of working with AI. But if the system simply fails or produces something unusable because of its own limitations, should you still be paying for those tokens? I don't think enough people are asking that question. Because it's not really about the tokens, it's about incentives. If providers bear some of the cost of failure, they have a stronger incentive to reduce failure. If customers bear all of the cost, then accuracy becomes your problem instead of theirs. Here's the question I promised you. Before you compare AI platforms, don't just ask, which one is the smartest? Ask, when something goes wrong, who pays? Because the answer tells you a lot about how that platform views its relationship with you. As AI becomes a bigger part of your business, pricing models will matter just as much as intelligence. And the companies that align their success with yours, those are the ones I'd be watching. Thanks for joining me. I'm your Santa Barbara web guy, and I'll see you next time.